Hello guys, so in this very quick video I'm actually going to talk to you guys on how to actually create randomization, okay, in your Lua scripts. So if you have watched part 4, this is what we have so far, right? This is everything we have in part 4. Now it's very actually important that you add some randomization to your script, okay? And of course in part 5 we are going to create a whole function that will take care of randomization. A function or an equation, okay? So, but for now, what you guys can actually do is there's an actual function inside of the math library called random. So to use is very simple. I'm just gonna output a message over here, output log message, math.random, and you can pass in two parameters here. Okay, you don't have to, but you can pass in two parameters, and I'm gonna pass in 0 and 1. So then every single time my profile is activated, okay, it's gonna output this message, which is gonna contain a random number between 0 and 1. Okay, so I'm gonna just save. So we can say 0, I'm gonna save again, 0, 1, 0, 0. It's random, okay? So that's one way to achieve randomization, okay? Of course, you could add more numbers here, you could reduce the number, so you can do like -1 and 1, right? So then it can be -1, 0, or 1. Those are the three options, right? 0 right there, you guys can see it right there at the bottom, okay? You could even make it more randomized by increasing these values, the range in between these values. So -2 and 2, right? By range, I'm referring to distance. -3 and 3. Okay, there you go. So it can be a bunch of different numbers now, right? So now it's 1, now it's 1, now it's -3, now it's 2, 1, 1, 2, 0. Okay, so how would you actually use that to move your mouse? Well, very simple. We already have this function over here, which is math.floor, compensation times 10. We did this in our part 4 video, right? So to achieve randomization, right, while you're waiting for part 5, it's very easy. All you need to do is just do times math.random and the randomization you wish to achieve. So let's say I want to put a randomization of like from -1 to 1. You do -1 to 1. There you go. Now your mouse is gonna move with the typical value, the compensation value, times 10, times a little randomization, okay? So let's just check that out. Right there, as you guys can see, it's doing that pattern. Now, there's a problem with this, and you can most likely notice a problem, right? The problem is that we did times. So let's just say compensation is a value of 5. And then you multiply 5 by 10, you get 50, right? And let's say the value picked for math.random was -1. So then now you're moving your mouse, what? -50. So that's wrong. So instead of doing times, you want to do plus. Okay? Now it's actually a little better. It's going to be a little more straightforward. The values over here, I'll put it over here, are not right. Let me just, I'll put the right value. So, okay. Now, yeah, there you go. Now the values are correct. And now we have a little randomization in our script. Okay. So this is just something you can do for now while you're waiting for part 5 of the Lua tutorial series. Alright. Thank you very much for watching and have a great time.